So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's start. So today what we are doing? Today we're debugging the band name generator program. So what is a band name generator? Suppose you are a rock band or a K-pop group. It create a beautiful name in seconds with a band name generator. Let's start. First we now we debugging this. How this program runs? It shows us. First click on this. So I'm using, sorry, not this. So I'm using Thonny. It is the best debugging app for Python. Click on this. So we do step into, so it shows you. So first it print welcome to the band name generator. After it goes to city and it takes input and checks what is right in this, what is your city. Let's step into, click on step to. So what is your city? Input the name of the city. I input Amsterdam. So Amsterdam is my city name. So let's forward the step. So it goes to pet and asking input what is your pet. So what is your pet? So step into, so what is your pet? My pet is dog. So it takes the input dog. So it goes to next line, print your band name is city. So it takes the city name, goes to city Amsterdam. After take pet name dog and combine and gives you the output. Your brand name is Amsterdam. The program is over. If this helped you, subscribe. I upload real Python projects every week. Thank you.